This is without a ring light, guys. This is this. Plug this in right on the bottom. Oh my god. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a long overdue unboxing of the newer ring light. I actually did a video on a Mount Dog ring light that was comparable to this one, just a little bit cheaper a few years ago, so I can attach that down in the description below if you guys are interested in viewing. But this is my first newer ring light, 18 inches, as you guys can see. I am so excited to open this. So excited. So let's get right into it. Might end up needing to move my camera at some point, just so you guys can see better. I actually really like that it comes with the handle, nice and easy. Oh wow, okay. So then you get another little bag here. Just pull it right out. Nice. So it comes with a little bag to make it nice and easy to carry. I love that. And then, so then it comes with another box, which is the light stand. What we have here in the box, we have 3 little pieces. It looks like this piece is where your camera goes, or your phone, whatever it is that you're using. Yeah, this is definitely that, you guys can see. And then this, which I believe this is to crop. I honestly have no idea what this is. We'll figure out in a second. I think there's holes on the top. And then we have the stand here. Has 1, 2, 3 adjustment knobs here. I believe it goes this way. Yeah. So you so you guys can see this. Oh my god, almost knocked my ass in the head. Oh, okay. And then I believe you tighten this when you, yep, that's to tighten the legs here. I believe so, right? Yeah, okay. And then adjustment knobs here to make it taller. Okay, perfect. So that's what that is. We figured that out quick. Oh, perfect. So in the box comes the instructions here, customer service, which gives you a website, phone number, and their link. It comes with the orange lighting and the white one. Ooh, it comes with a little remote, which I believe this is to like take pictures if you were to set up a phone or a camera. Yep. And it comes with a cell phone holder. Okay, I see you. Extends. Perfect. And then the charger for the lighting. Hi. Hello, handsome. He's so cute. Okay. And this. I'm just gonna start to plug this stuff in. Bada bing, bada bam. I'm so excited for this light. I'm going to show you guys. Right now, you guys are in front of my window, but usually I have the worst lighting setup. I will show you before and after, with and without the ring light at the end of the video. And then we have the 18-inch light itself. Love this. This is huge. This is perfect. This is exactly what I needed. Okay, we set up the stand, loosen the adjuster on the second to tighten higher. What? I don't understand where this goes or comes from. Oh. Okay, so it says flexible gooseneck. Loosen the adjuster on the second section, extend. So this goes here, right on top. the heck? Sorry guys, I just have to loosen this more. Here, I'm gonna move you guys. Let's put you guys, just so you guys can see the full view of everything. So the next step here is to put the lights in here. So this one, I'm assuming, since it has a little round part on it, goes right here. So I'm going to snap that right in. Got them all snapped in, and then what I do next is move these little knobs so you can move. Make sure you don't move it all the way. So I can move this, and then once you get it how you want it, this makes it so you can bend it on the thing if you need it to be tilted down, back. See what I'm saying? That way, so it has a little knob there. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys can kind of see this, but on the back there's this little part here. That's where the square part will slide in. This is where you would put your phone or your camera. It also has this here to hold a phone, and this part bends, I believe. So there's like a little screw right here, and when you loosen this and unloosen that part, it controls the ball that's in here that makes this part move. So you can have it facing up, you can do it that way. Awesome, a lot of adjustments. So I'm really liking how many adjustments are on here, guys. This is without a ring light, guys. This is how bad my lighting is in my house. This, plug this in right on the bottom. Okay, I think I got it. So let's see, on and off. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my God, wait. This goes so bright. Oh my God. Oh my God, this goes so bright, and then it can go down more. Sorry guys, it's like burning my eyes. Oh my God, I love this. I'm loving this. Let's see what it looks like. I think like right here's a good setting. Not too bright, and this is about halfway as bright as it does get. Oh my God. Okay, now I'm going to undo the white one and do the orange one and see what that lighting looks like. Okay guys, and then this is the orange light. I honestly don't really understand the orange light, if I'm being completely honest. Also, maybe the fact that I'm wearing orange, it's making me really orange, but I personally will probably never use the orange light, but this is the lighting that it gives. So this is when it's really dim. All right, this is off. This is dimmed. It's about halfway here, and full speed right here. Honestly, not too crazy about the orange, but if anyone knows what the orange lighting does, or like, is it for, what's it for, the orange one? I don't really, is it for cam recording? Because I didn't get the best lighting with the orange on this, honestly. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys do know. Alright guys, I'm absolutely loving this ring light. 18 inches, it's nice and wide. It has so many different adjustments on it, from adjusting the height, from adjusting the legs. So this is the final product. I absolutely love this ring light. I am in love with it. I'm so happy to have an 18-inch back. I had one a few years ago, as I was telling you guys. It was a Mount Dog that ended up breaking because an animal bit through the wire, and I just threw it all away because I didn't know where to just buy a new wire. And then I had a mini one that was like this big, like 10 inches maybe even 8, and it just wasn't doing it. This light is so bright. It's helping my camera quality so much. I am literally so happy. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to write them down in the description box, and I will see you in a new video. You guys like my shirt? What does this say? I don't know, but it's one of my faves. I thought it was so cute. Peace.